I've spent years getting my hands dirty, and I've learned that perfect gardens aren't what they seem. We all want lush lawns and juicy tomatoes, so we reach for chemical fertilizers, lured by promises of instant results. But that quick fix is just a sugar rush for your plants. Short-lived and ultimately harmful. Synthetic fertilizers feed plants, not soil. They offer a few nutrients but ignore the rest. Over time, your soil becomes dependent, weak, and lifeless. The real workers, earthworms, bacteria, fungi, are wiped out by harsh chemicals. Without them, your soil can't breathe, hold water, or nourish plants. You end up trapped in a cycle: more fertilizer, more water, weaker plants, more pests. Your garden becomes a welfare state, always needing another handout. The truth: healthy gardens start with healthy soil, not quick fixes. There's a better, older way, one that works with nature, not against it. It's time to break the cycle and rebuild your soil from the ground up. Forget the miracle pellets. Let's get back to basics. Real gardening is about feeding the soil, not just the plants. When you nurture the life underground, your garden thrives above. The secret isn't in a bag of chemicals, it's in restoring the natural balance. It's a dirty job, but it's the only way to grow something truly alive. Ready to dig deeper? Let's find out what your soil is really hungry for. The solution is simpler than you think. It's time to give your garden what it's really missing. Let's get started. The real work begins below the surface. Healthy soil isn't just dirt, it's a living community. Earthworms, bacteria, and fungi break down organic matter, creating a buffet for your plants. But they need more than just nitrogen and phosphorus. They crave a full spectrum of minerals. In nature, minerals come from rocks, slowly released over time by weathering. This natural remineralization is what keeps forests and prairies thriving. Modern gardening breaks this cycle. We harvest crops but rarely return minerals to the soil. Synthetic fertilizers offer a quick fix, but leave the soil weak and incomplete. To truly build healthy soil, we need to feed it the full menu of minerals it's starving for. Think of it as rebuilding the foundation, not just patching the walls. When you restore minerals, you revive the entire underground ecosystem. The result? Stronger, healthier plants that can thrive on their own. It's time to stop feeding just the plants and start feeding the soil. The answer lies in nature's original recipe. Let's see how you can bring those essential minerals back. Fast. Enter rock dust. Rock dust is crushed stone, nature's multivitamin for your soil. It's not a new fad. Smart gardeners have used it for generations. By spreading rock dust, you fast-forward nature's process, giving your soil over 70 essential minerals. Microbes and worms break down the dust, making nutrients available to your plants. Unlike chemical fertilizers, rock dust feeds the whole ecosystem, not just the crops. It's sustainable, often a byproduct from quarries, turning waste into garden gold. You're not buying a synthetic fix, you're restoring the earth with the earth. The results? Healthier soil, stronger plants, and a thriving garden. Rock dust is simple, natural, and powerful. It's the missing link for gardens stuck in the chemical cycle. When you use rock dust, you're investing in long-term soil health. It's a dirty job, but the payoff is real. Ready to try it? The best time is now. Let's see how to put rock dust to work in your garden. It's easier than you think. Here's how to get started. Winter is the perfect time to apply rock dust. Just sprinkle it over your garden beds. No need for precision. Rain and snow will carry the minerals into the soil, and microbes will get to work. If you have mulch or leaves, spread the dust right on top. Nature will do the mixing for you. You're setting the table for spring, stocking the pantry for your soil's hungry workers. By the time planting season arrives, your soil will be supercharged. The transformation happens quietly, while you stay warm indoors. Come spring, your seeds will find a home teeming with life and nutrients. It's a simple winter job with huge rewards. No fancy tools, no complicated steps, just a bag of rock dust and a little time. The foundation for a thriving garden starts now. Don't wait for problems. Build resilience before the season begins. Healthy soil is the best insurance for a great harvest. Do this one job, and your garden will thank you all year. Let's talk about the legacy you're building. Using rock dust isn't just about this year's harvest. It's about building lasting soil health. You're breaking free from chemical dependency and becoming a true steward of your land. Rock dust works slowly, releasing minerals for years and making your soil more self-sufficient. Over time, you'll need fewer inputs, and your plants will be stronger and more resilient. The food you grow will be more nutritious and taste better thanks to a full spectrum of minerals. You're not just growing bigger vegetables, you're growing better ones. This is a long-term investment in your garden's future. Step away from quick fixes and embrace a natural, sustainable approach. Feed your soil, not just your plants. Every scoop of rock dust is a step toward a healthier ecosystem. You're building a legacy of abundance, one season at a time. Your garden will thrive and so will the life beneath the surface. It's a dirty job, but it's the most rewarding one you'll ever do. Get your hands dirty. Your garden will thank you. The real secret to a perfect garden starts with the soil.